Hi, thank you for the introduction. Before the pandemic, trainers mainly used ordinary classroom with whiteboard to conduct training. While the COVID-19 pandemic hits, trainers have to adopt methods that diverge from the ordinary classroom to the online classroom environment using education technologies and the internet. Before we proceed, let's answer these poll questions. What is your satisfaction level in terms of the outcome of the current mode of online delivery? Well, here are some of the statistics of the online classroom implementation during the pandemic. About 3% of the learners drop out of universities. More than 50% learners prefer face-to-face learning. Trainers commented, no way of knowing whether learners were paying attention in the online classes. And learners are very passive. It is very hard to have two-way communications or interactions. Now that we are in the post-pandemic stage, hybrid learning becomes the new trend in delivering training. Let's view the video about what most of us would like to see in the change in hybrid learning delivery.
In today's post-pandemic era, achieving better outcomes in hybrid classrooms is the goal for many trainers and educators. Here are some of the ideal outcomes. Increasing the remote learners' engagement. Creating spaces for group discussions and group presentations. Creating collaborative spaces between the trainer or educator, with live learners, as well as remote ones. Trainers and educators get to adapt to the learner's progress pace, as it differs depending on whether they are remote or live learners. And finally, decreasing the sense of disconnect for remote learners. The Virtual Studio Smart Classroom is the solution for you. Be the future with the Virtual Studio Smart Classroom and revolutionize your lessons.
What exactly is the hybrid learning? Hybrid learning is a model where some learners attend the class in person, while others will join the class virtually from remote. Trainers teach both groups of learners at the same time using video conferencing solutions in a classroom setup. In some cases, hybrid learning includes asynchronous learning elements, like self-paced learning with pre-recorded video, or conducting online exercise or tests to complement the face-to-face classroom sessions. While blended learning combines the best aspect of the synchronous and asynchronous learning, while making the lessons more attainable and engaging for learners. Let us have a brief overview of the evolutions of the classroom. For many years, trainers conduct training activities using the whiteboard in classroom. With the rise of education technologies, institutions have adopted teaching methods that diverge from the typical classroom environment. The smart classroom is equipped with devices such as projector, smartboard, and cameras. Meanwhile, virtual classroom was around for many years, but was not popular until the recent pandemic. Most of the lessons shifted to online classroom. Unlike the previous two methods, all learners have to attend the lesson remotely from home. By the understanding of the challenges and the requirements of hybrid learning, we devised a solutions called Virtual Studio and Smart Classroom. We are making the Smart Classroom available for remote learners by combining Virtual Studio recording, video conferencing capability, interactive applications, and learning management system. At the same time, BYOD, bring your own device, enable personalized interactive activities during the synchronous sessions. Now, let's dive deeper into the Virtual Studio and Smart Classroom. This all-in-one dynamic solution is catered for both the training and education industry. Here, I would like to highlight 4 areas where the solution helps to improve in implementing hybrid learning in the smart classroom. The 4 areas are recording video for self-paced learning, connecting learners for better learning experience, conducting lessons with various tools and methods, and engaging learners through collaborations. First, recording video. Blended learning integrates technology and digital learning content with instructor-led classroom activities. In this case, trainer may need to curate or develop self-paced learning material so that the learner can study on their own. As many knows, videos are the perfect tools to grab audience attentions and educate them simultaneously. Let's view the video on how trainers can produce the lessons or video lessons by themselves.
Welcome back to yet another self-paced learning video with me, Miss Lily. Today we are going to study interpersonal communication skills and everything that relates to it.
From the demo video, we all recognize that the trainer can record video lessons in a productive and professional way. The virtual studio allowed the trainer to read the script from the prompter and conducting interactive teaching using the smartboard. At the same time, trainers use the tablet as the control panel so that the entire recording process can be carried out by themselves. The videos is produced instantly with minimum effort in post-production. The final video can be uploaded onto any platform so that the learner can access and learn those video lessons before attending the classroom sessions. Next, during the hybrid classroom session, one of the challenges is that the remote learners have not much ideas about what is happening within the class due to not being physically present. The following video shows how these solutions can help to connect all the learners so that everyone receives a similar learning experience regardless they are at home or in class. One of the features in the virtual studio and smart classroom is the multi-scenes. By using the scene feature, trainer can change the content layout based on what they want the learner to focus on during the lessons. Through cameras in the smart classroom, remote users have a good view of what is occurring in the classroom and allowing them to feel closer to the rest of the learners. Aside from that, the classroom is equipped with large screen. The learner in the class can view all the remote learner easily, and it's allowed an inclusive atmosphere. Everyone can participate in the learning activities because they all view the same video outcome or output during the lessons. It bridges the gap between the remote and the physical learner by providing better visual, ensuring the inclusivity. Now let's look into conducting lesson. Trainer can conduct more effective and engaging lesson by applying various techniques and methods to deliver the lessons in the smart classroom. Now let's view the following demo video. One of the essential components in the smart classroom is the smartboard. The smartboard empowers trainer to write on it. At the same time, the trainer can show any e-content or training materials like PowerPoint slides, documents, or video on the smartboard. Besides that, trainers and learners can interact with the content by touching on the smartboard screen. At the same time, a document camera can capture physical objects which everyone can view in a clearer output in a large screen. Trainer can capture the classroom activities like role play using a mobile phone as part of the lesson delivery. The next area is about engaging learners. We can apply some of the interactive software or platform in the smart classroom to promote collaborations and active participations of learners either in class or at home. Here is another demo video showing how these solutions can engage learners in a hybrid learning environment. From the video, we notice that the software or applications such as Miro and Kahoot can work seamlessly with the smartboard, Learners can share ideas easily in the brainstorming sessions or working together conveniently. With Intel Unite, the solution or the result of the group activities or multi-content can be shared and viewed on one screen. In conclusion, with the Virtual Studio and Smart Classroom, we believe trainers and learners can achieve better learning outcome and more engaging learning experience. Well, here are some of the benefits of the solution. First, the entire solution or system is based on open solution. It works with most of the hardware or software that are available in the market. In other words, it does not tie with any brand or model of hardware such as camera, audio devices, or computers. The main software used is an open source software. It's called OBS, Open Broadcast Software. The open solutions will have lower investment and maintenance costs. It is vital to ensure the sustainability of the solution. Secondly, the solution allows us to use in different learning delivery approaches such as self-paced learning, online learning, or hybrid learning. It provides the flexibility for the trainer to design the delivery of the training based on the requirements. Next benefit, the entire solutions can be set up easily in any regular classroom with an appropriate environment. It requires minimum resources to operate or can be self-operated. The DIY and easy setup will directly help to increase the utilization of this solution. Last but not least, learners can enjoy real-time professional and engaging video output. The video can be presented in class or live streaming via video conferencing system, and as well as recorded videos for future viewing. In conclusion, the Virtual Studio and Smart Classroom solutions will bring 3 key results to 3 stakeholders who are investor, trainer, and learner. The 3 key results refer as the 3 E's. The first E is economical, where the open solutions lead to more economical and sustainable investment. The second E is about efficient, where the concept of DIY and the instructional design approaches enable trainers to produce more engaging delivery. Last, E refers to effectiveness of the output, where learners found the lessons are more attractive, engaging, and easy to understand. That's all for my presentation today. Thank you.